over here!
Dressed that way?
Damn it, I can't move to shoot!
No! I'm not gonna let you push me around!
Where the hell they come from? They're attacking us! Ow!
What is this happening?
They're here!
Oh, my pants!
Could have been a role model.
Where the hell they come from?
Leave him alone! Don't like being assaulted.
Don't do that again!